Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 277, Web Application Firewall. In tip number 191, we talked about the Web Application Firewall for Power Pages, which is powered by Azure Front Door. This functionality is now generally available, and comes with some additional great features. As before, the WAF is enabled within the Power Platform Admin Center. Under Resources, go to Power Pages Sites and open the configuration page for your site. Within the Performance and Protection area, simply toggle on the WAF. The CDN functionality must be enabled to enable the WAF. With general availability, we now have the ability to configure custom rules. When you enable the WAF, a default set of rules are enforced. You can see the list of rules within the Power Pages documentation. But now you can configure your own custom rule sets to block or allow traffic based on geolocation, IP address, or request URI. Also introduced as part of general availability is access to the firewall logs. These are stored in your Dataverse instance within the Power Pages log table. The Web Application Firewall page in the Security Workspace lets you download the logs, as well as configure how long the logs are kept for. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 277 on Web Application Firewall useful.